Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some cupcakes. I am cheating and using a sponge mix. For this you just need 2 eggs and 120 millilitres of water. You're also going to need cupcake cases, a cupcake tin, a mixing bowl and a spoon. So let's get baking. Okay, so first of all we need to put the chocolate sponge mix into the bowl. And then add 2 eggs. As water, we do a little bit at a time. And then mix. Okay, that's all mixed. Now we're going to divide this into 12 cake tins. Okay, so they've been in the oven now for 20 minutes. I'm going to leave them to cool on here for about 5 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. And that, my loves, is it. I hope you've enjoyed baking cupcakes. You can go ahead and decorate these if you want, but they'll be nice. Okay, my love, so that's the end of my baking video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and push the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.